Good morning, student. Sir is here to teach you history, the first chapter, Indus Valley Civilization. First, let us know the meaning of civilization. Civilization is an advanced stage of human cultural development. It implies the use of superior technology and complex economic relationships. Some of the traits which mark a civilization are first, evolution of cities, surplus food, thirdly, division of labor, fourthly, system of writing, fifthly, sixthly, development of technology. The period between 4000 and 3000 BC saw a remarkable progress. Man acquired greater knowledge and skill in mastering the forces of nature. He took to agriculture and made more efficient tools and started living a settled life on the banks of rivers. So, a number of dispersed farming villages to towns and then into cities. The river valleys had the agricultural potential to support a dense population, surplus food. The surplus food freed some people from the task of producing their own food. These individuals gradually became specialists and developed a substantial range of new skills such as writing, using metals, and making their alloys, seal making, and large scale construction. And skills enabled people to advance to a new stage in the progress of civilization. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in the northern regions of South Asia, lasting from 3300 BC to 100-300 BC, and in its mature form from 2600 BC to 900 BC, together with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. Means in Bronze Age civilization, these are the Indus Valley civilization was Bronze Age civilization, and besides this civilization, other civilizations are there. The Mesopotamia civilization on the banks of river Euphrates and Tigris in modern Iraq. Next, Chinese civilization in the valley of Huanghe and Yangtze rivers, and the Egyptian civilization on the banks of Nile River in Egypt. So, together with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, it was one of three early civilizations of the Near East and South Asia, and the most widespread, its site spanning an area stretching from northeast Afghanistan through much of Pakistan and into western India. It flourished in the basins of the Indus River, which length of Pakistan, and along a system of perennial, mostly monsoon-fed rivers that once coursed in the vicinity of the seasonal Ghadar Hakra River in northwest India and eastern Pakistan. The civilization cities were noted for their urban planning backed brick houses, elaborate drainage systems, water supply systems, clusters of large non-residential buildings, and new techniques in handicrafts that is chameleon products, seal carving, and metal lead and tin. The large cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa very likely grew to containing between 30,000 and 60,000 individuals. And the civilization itself, during its fluorescence, may have contained between 1 and 5 million individuals. Gradual drying of the region's soil during the third millennium BC may have been the initial spur of the urbanizations associated with the civilization, but eventually also reduced the water supply enough to cause the civilization's demise and to scatter its population eastward. The Indus civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. After its type site, Harappa, the first of its sites to be excavated early in the 20th century in what was then the Punjab province of British India and now is Pakistan. The discovery of Harappa and soon afterwards Mohenjo-daro was the culmination of work beginning in 1861 with the founding of the Archaeological Survey of India during the British Raj. There were, however, earlier and later cultures often called early Harappan and later Harappans in the same area. For this reason, the Harappan civilization is sometimes called the mature Harappan to distinguish it from these other cultures. By 2002, over 1,000 mature Harappan cities and settlements had been reported, of which just under 100 had been excavated. However, there are only 5 major urban cities: Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, it is UNESCO World Heritage Site; Dholavira, Ganeriwala in Cholistan, and Rakhigari. The Harappan cultures were preceded by local Neolithic cultural villages, from which the river plains were populated. The Harappan language is not directly attested and its affiliation is uncertain since the Indus script is still undeciphered. A relationship is the Dravidians or Elamo-Dravidian language family is favored by a section of scholars like leading Finnish Indologist. Indologist means Indian studies is the academic study of the history and culture, languages and literature of India, set of Asian studies. The Indus Valley civilization is named after the Indus river system, in whose alluvial plains the early sites of the civilization were identified and excavated. Following a tradition in archaeology, the civilization is sometimes referred to as Harappan after its type site Harappa, the first site to be excavated in the 1920s. This is notably true of uses employed by the Archaeological Survey of India after India's independence in 1947. Aryan indigenous writers like David Frawley use the terms Saraswati culture, the Saraswati civilization, the Indus-Saraswati civilization or the Sindhu-Saraswati civilization because they consider the Ghaggar-Hakra river to be the same as the Saraswati, a river mentioned several Rig Veda, a collection of ancient Sanskrit hymns composed in the second millennium BC. Recent geophysical research suggests that unlike the Saraswati, whose descriptions in the Rig Veda are those of a snow-fed river, the Ghaggar Hakra was a system of perennial monsoon-fed rivers which became seasonal around the time that the civilization diminished approximately 4,000 years ago. In addition, proponents of the Saraswati nomenclature see a connection between the Indus civilization and the rise of the Vedic civilization on the Gangetic plain. However, historians of the decline of the Maya civilization considered the two to be substantially disconnected. Its extension, major sites and extents of the Indus Valley civilization was roughly contemporary with the other riverine civilization of the ancient world. Egypt along the Nile, Mesopotamia in the lands watered by Euphrates and the Tigris, and China in the drainage basin of the Yellow River and the Yangtze. By the time of its mature phase, the civilization had spread over an area larger than the others, which included a core of 1,500 kilometers up to the alluvial plain of the Indus and its tributaries. In addition, there was a region with disparate flora and fauna and habitual up to 10 times as large, which had been shaped culturally and economically by the Indus. Around 6,500 BC, agriculture emerged in Balochistan on the margins of the Indus alluvium. In the following millennia, settled life made inroads into the Indus plains, setting the stage for the growth of rural and urban human settlement. The more organized sedimentary life in turn led to a net increase in the birth rate. The large urban centers of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa very likely grew between 30,000 and 60,000 individuals, and during the civilization's flourishes, the population to 6 million people. During this period, the death rate increased as well, for close living conditions of humans and domesticated animals led to an increase in contagious diseases. According to one estimate, the population of the Indus civilization at its peak may have been between 1 and 5 million. The Indus Valley civilization extended from Pakistan's Balochistan in the west of India's western Uttar Pradesh in the east, from northeastern Afghanistan in the north to India's Gujarat state in the south. The number of cities The largest number of sites are in Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir states in India, and Sindh, Punjab, and Balochistan provinces in Pakistan. Coastal settlements extended from Sutkagan in western Balochistan to Lothal in Gujarat. An Indus Valley site has been found on the Oxus River at Saktugai in northern Afghanistan, in the Gomal River Valley in northwestern Pakistan, at Manda, Jammu, on the Beas River near Jammu, India, and at Alamgirpur on the Hindon River, only 28 kilometers from Delhi. The southernmost site of the Indus Valley civilization is Dayamabad in Maharashtra. Indus Valley sites have been found most often on rivers but also on the ancient sea coast. For example, Balakot, and on islands, for example, Dholavira.